Guys, this would blow your mind. Have you ever seen videos where you would see products of people like interacting with the environment? So, for example, you would see on a bridge cars moving around, and you will see probably a product flying above, or probably in a building you would see a flyer going around and stuff like that. Now, on a normal day, you want to create something like that using Blender or Unreal Engine. It's going to probably take you several hours or even sometimes weeks, depending on how crazy the animation is. Now, imagine if you can create that yourself by just visiting a platform and just uploading your product or your flyer or your design, and it gives you that same 3D animation that would have taken you weeks. Imagine getting that platform. So yeah, I want to show you guys this particular platform, right? I've talked about it before, but they've been some changes and I've seen some very dope stuff that has been included. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. And let's jump right into it. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome. So we are here to check out the platform. And again, the platform is called Omagic, right? I think it has been revamped into Magic. So let's just go straight into the platform. What you want to do is you come to the site, app.omagic.ai, right? When you come to the site, this is the first thing you're going to see. You can see so many amazing stuff. So we have VFX scenes, we have pack shots, we have mock-ups, like several templates you can choose from. Amazing templates you can choose from. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick each of the templates to work with, right? So again, like I said, just come to app.omagic.ai, sign up. When you sign up, you can sign up with your Gmail or any other option you have. So when you sign up, you come here, you have access to this, and then let's check out. Again, the subscription is quite affordable, very affordable, right? Compared to what this offers. Like I said, having to create something like this on Blender or on Unreal Engine or even Cinema 4D will probably take you several days to create if you are a newbie, even several hours if you're a professional. But imagine having to do that in few minutes, in less than 3-4 minutes, you have a VFX scene or a 3D animated pack shot. So yeah, let's go into it. So first thing first, we're going to check out the VFX scene. You can see these are some of the options here. So I'm going to press see more, right? So let's check it out. So when you press see more, you would see several. So we have VFX, like I said, we have pack shots, we have mock-up, we have drone show. So for VFX, you can see we have several ones like this, very, very amazing. Every single one would always catch the attention of your potential customers, right? So, but let's just look for one that looks very, very nice. So I'm going to work with, should I work with Halloween? Or you know what, let's work with this. Yeah, let's work with this. I love this. I love the fact that it's so realistic that you can see even the shadow is being reflected in the water. So I'm going to work with this. So let's just press this, right? So you can see this. So what this entails is you just bring in a design, a poster, a portrait poster that you have created, and you bring it into, this template. So let's press use templates. And when you press use templates, it's going to give you like the breakdown. So what you need to do is just choose your template video, upload your content, and see results. It's as simple as ABC. So what we want to do is we want to click this button to look for a poster that we can use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a poster that I've created in the past and see if I can use any of those posters. So let me see. Where are you? All right, so I'm thinking we can use this one. So it's going to crop it, but yeah, I don't mind. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. So celebrate every day wins with good food by Chicken Rep. It's one of those posters I created. It's an unsolicited design. So I'm just going to press continue. And when you're ready, again, you can see that for VFX, for pictures, it requires just 10 credits. So when you press generate, just give it a few seconds or at most. It's going to take about approximately 10 minutes, but it can't take 10 minutes. It's actually far less than 10 minutes. I'll probably say like 1 to 2 minutes. You can see it has jumped to 8 minutes. So you can see it has jumped to 3 minutes. Again, like I said, it's very, very fast. being able to create something as beautiful as this in less than few minutes is just so amazing. So let's see what our design would look like. All right, so our design is done, and it took approximately 3 minutes, which is crazy. Like in 3 minutes, we have this poster, celebrate everyday wins with good food. Now imagine if I post, now take for example, I post just the flyer on my social media. Yeah, it would get a lot of traction, but now having this kind of like 3D animation posted, even Chicken Rep would possibly reach out to me, you know. So yeah, this is one way to like create 3D animation or 3D animated like flyers easily. So again, like I said, just come to appomagic.ai, and when you want to sign up, you can use my referral code Elzenitho. So yeah, I'm going to download this. Definitely going to download this. Yeah, let's check out one final, probably one more or two more. Let's go. We'll go back to what's it called? Let's go back to the home page. That's the home dashboard. Again, like I said, we have VFX, we have pack shots, we have mockups. So let's try the pack shot. So let's press see more. And this is going to show you like, this is more or less like brand collaterals, right? Brand elements that you can, let's say you created a brand design, like a label, and you need to like show the 3D realistic form of that particular label. You can come here and, you know, choose any template. You can even bring in your own 3D model, right? So for example, this is one that we can use. This is another one that we can use. I actually like this. Oh, this is nice. But there was one I saw, right, which I think I should try. Yeah, this particular one. Yeah, let's try this. So we are going to try this out, and let's see. This time we're going to be using a 3D model. Now, for you to use a 3D model, again, like I said, you just choose your templates, upload your content that is a 3D model, and you see the result. Now, the model you have to use is GLB, right, or GLTF. So if you have like an FBX model, just take it to Blender and export it as GLB or GLTF, right? It's as simple as that. Anything you have, be it OBJ or FBX, just take it to Blender or any 3D software that can convert, and convert it directly to GLB or GLTF. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to just click here to look for the 3D model, and I have my 3D model somewhere in my, I think it's under, let's see, search here for Vigor. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I know I kept it somewhere. I was not just sure. Yeah, this is my model. So I created a brand. It's a fictional brand, fictional coffee brand. So what you want to do is, this is how I brought it in. So what you want to do is you want to use your mouse button or your trackpad to turn it to its faces, to the front face of the model is facing you directly. So this is the front side, right? As you can see, I will just press continue. And for 3D models, the credits that would be needed is 25. But for normal pictures, it's just 10 credits. So 25 is also very, very small compared to the kind of animation you'll be creating. So for this one, like I said, the first one took us about 3 minutes to render. So let's see how long this would render. So it's generating. So I'm just going to pause it, and when it's done, I'll let you know how long it took to like render the entire thing. But I'm guessing it's the same range of 3 minutes. As you can see, it's already loading. All right, so this also took about 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see my design is looking beautiful. Now, I'm not so good with, I would probably say I am an intermediate when it comes to Blender, right? But I know for a fact that if I'm to create this in Blender, it will probably take me several days to create, like to actually create from scratch. Now imagine having to just bring in my 3D model and I have something as beautiful as this. This is really mind-blowing, right? So you need to definitely check this out. So yeah, like I said, be it VFX scene, be it pack shots for your brand deliverables, and be it mockups. So for example, if you go to mockups and you press see more, you would always see several mockups that you can just use. Again, I won't really go through this because it's similar to the first one we did, All you need to do is just look for a template that works for you and click on it, and then import your design, and you're good to go. So you have several amazing templates to choose from, like amazing. And it's not just pictures or models alone. You can also work with text-based template. Like you can see here, these are text-based templates. This is also a text-based template. So we have several templates you can work with. And I know that coming soon, you'll be able to also import your own video and tell the AI to say, okay, this is where you want to put in your product and all. You can see it is coming soon. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop the video, but definitely let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. If you're going to be trying this, again, go to app.omagic.ai, sign up, use my my code. So again, just go to app.omagic.ai, choose whatever template you want to work with, and just start pushing out amazing content. And if this is something that you've been waiting for, follow me, comments, share, like, and let me know what you think. And I'm going to see you next time. Cheers.